Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you, student? Are you good?
Very good, sir.
Okay. Now, before we start the learning activities, we are going to pray first. Now, pray start. Okay, it's done. Now, let me check the attendance first. Dika Prasetya.
I'm here, sir.
Okay. Rehan Demas Novel.
Yes, sir.
It looks like all of you attend this class today. Okay, now let's move into the material. Okay. Today's topic is recount text, and let's move to the first slide. I will read it for you. Learning objectives. Students are able to label the information presented in a short video about recount text when they are given the video. Students are able to identify the information in a written recount text when they are given text. Students are able to identify the social function and text structure of a recount text when they are given one written example. Students are able to classify the language features of two written recount texts in groups by demonstrating responsibility and cooperation. Students are able to complete two incomplete recount texts with the correct language features when they are given the text in groups. Okay, now let's play the video. Here's the video about today's topic. Can you play a while? Can you hear the voice? Can you hear the audio? Let's see my video. Last month, I and my family went to the beach. We woke up, walk around to enjoy the lovely scenery. Finally, okay, students, that was the video about this topic. That video is about recount text a guy in his family in the beach, and next is about the questions. Uh, about the video, there is five questions. You can answer it on the chat box. Right now, I give you 2 minutes. Okay. First answer is from Dika. Correct answer. And second answer is from Rehan. Okay, great. That's really great answer. All of you are correct. Now let's move to the next slide. Now it's grouping questions. I will send this link to the chat box so you can open it by yourself. Okay, now it's group work. So you're gonna do the task by your group. I will send the link to the chat box. Okay, I have sent the link. Now you can do it by your group. The links above is group one and below one is the group two. Okay, I give you 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. You can do it from now. Okay, now from group one, Tika Prasetya, do you have any trouble here?
Oh, sir.
Okay, great. Now let's move to the second group. Ryan Dimas, do you have any trouble in here? Ryan, can you hear my
No,
voice?
sir.
Okay, great. Okay, students, the times is up. Now let's move to the next slide. Um, Definition of recount text. Recount text is a type of text that retells events or experiences that happened in the past. It usually tells the reader what happened, where, when, and who was involved. And usually recount text is using simple past tense. Purpose of recount text to retell past experiences or events, to record or document important events, and to share personal experience. Social function. Recount text is to reconstruct and share experiences from the past and tell the sequence of events for entertainment or information. Now, the generic structure of recount text. The first is opening, introducing the participants, place, and time of the event. And second is sequence of events, like telling in the chronological order. The last one is reorientation, stating the writer's comment, feeling, or even conclusion about the event. Okay. Okay, now there's a simple recount text. I want one of you to read this. Maybe Tika Prasetya, can you read this for me?
Yes, sir. Which part
You
you
can
want me to
start.
read?
You can start from the title to or reorientation.
Okay. My trip to Bali. Last year, my family and I went to Bali for a vacation. We stayed there for 5 days. Next, sir.
Yes, you can continue.
On the first day, we visited Kuta Beach. The view was amazing, and we took many pictures. The next day, we went to Ubud to see the rice terrace and traditional dance. On the Thursday, we bought some souvenirs at Sukawati Market. It was one of the best holidays I ever had. I hope I can visit Bali again someday.
Okay, that was great. Thank you, Tika. Now let's move to the language feeders. Ryan Dimas, can you read this for us?
Yeah, sure. Language future. The first is using simple past tense. When saw pet visits. Use action verbs. And the third, using specific basic practice. In the fourth, using effort of time and place. In the five, using effort of square. In the six, using personal pronouns. In the seven, using past time expression. In the eight, sometimes use adjective. I've done, sir.
Okay, Ryan, thank you for your participation. Now let's move to the another questions. Uh, Fill the blank type of questions. So there's two. First one is marathon, and second one is trip to the zoo. With the same, both are fill the blank. You can answer on the Google document that I will send to you in the chat box. Okay, wait for me. Okay, students, I have sent the link to the chat box. You can check it by your group and you can do the task by your group. I will give you 10 minutes to answer those two fill the blank questions. Okay, start from now. Okay, now Dika, do you have any trouble or questions you may confuse?
No, sir.
Okay, good. You have a very big progress here. Now let's move to the group two. Group two, Rehan Dimas, do you have any trouble or maybe confused, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, time is up. Looks like both groups are have done their task and assignments. So now is reflections time. What did what did you learn from today? I will ask Tika Prasetya first. Tika, what did you learn from today?
I've learned past simple tense
Okay,
in the context.
okay, now what did you learn from today? I will ask Ryan. Ryan, what did you learn from today?
Sir, today I learn about recontext and then I understand about simple past, sir.
Okay, that's kind of similar answer like Tika. Okay. Now, we'll ask another questions like, do you have any trouble or maybe feedbacks for the group task that I gave you, Tika?
Absolutely no, sir.
Okay, seems like you are completely understand. Ryan Dimas, you said that you understand about simple past tense. Can you explain me a little bit about simple past tense?
Okay, sure. Simple past using verb to and then for time signal like yesterday, years ago, and others, sir.
Okay, that's good answer. Okay. Today's class about to end, and I would say thank you for all participants that have attended my class for today. Thank you, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.